How to change theme in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the background or the theme. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find the option called themes. Simply tap on themes. Now here, tap on color themes. So these are the themes available. So you can scroll down and select the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one. Now as you can see, the whole interface has been changed and it has turned red. So it's according to your choice and preference and which way you like. So if you want to change it again, simply go to settings and change the color in a simple way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.